Right. The green screen sound studios here at Yinneboma Animation Studios, currently at 300 Broad Street, Nevada City, is almost complete. By August, it's been a great summer of work, but now we're almost ready. Oh yeah, gonna put some mural sketches and then put all the acoustic paneling up. So yeah, some mural sketching of like cartoon characters by YBAC, like Mad Dog, my main character, and the Australian Bandit, and a few other characters like with chalk and charcoal on the wall, on some of the walls, and then some movie posters from productions, and yeah, gonna be great. And then acoustic paneling, gonna be fantastic.